Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Snipping Tool keep stopping problem on your computer. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to go to our setting and open up the Snipping Tool. I'm going to click on the start menu and then we can click on settings. And here we need to go to the app settings and go to the installed apps. And here you need to search for the Snipping Tools application. Okay, this one, and I'm going to click on this three dots to go to the more options and select advanced options. And here we can scroll down until we find the reset menu or the repair menu. You can either select repair or the reset. If you don't want to lose your data or the app's data, you can select repair. But if you want to make the snipping tool back to its default version, you can select reset, but the app's data will be deleted. And I recommend you to select reset, so the snipping tool will be back to its default version, and the snipping tool problem that keeps stopping will be solved by resetting the snipping tool. But you can try this one. If the repair is still not working, you can choose the reset. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix snipping tool keep stopping problem on our computer. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.